Hello, I'm Dr. Mary Dobransky, and I want to welcome you to the College of Science and Technology at Bellevue University. This is an exciting time in the college, and I would love to share with you some of the opportunities available and what students may expect while they are here. The College of Science and Technology offers a wide variety of subjects to help our students develop the skills they need for their career advancement, whether they are just starting their careers or established in their roles. If your interest is in technology, we have exciting programs in cybersecurity, software development, web development, information technology, information systems, and computer science. If you like the challenge of solving complex problems, we have programs that focus on skills such as data science, business analytics, and mathematics. But that's not all. We offer programs in other specialized areas, including biology, sustainability, health science, nursing, graphic design, criminal justice, emergency management, project management, intelligence and security studies, and more. At the College of Science and Technology, we believe in empowering our students with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in the ever-changing world we share. We are dedicated to meeting the education needs of our students who will ultimately be the leaders and innovators in the field of science and technology. We provide an exciting, active learning environment that encourages critical thinking, develops practical skills, and help students grow into confident professionals. Our students are curious about the world around them and motivated to learn. They want to contribute to their professions in a meaningful way, and they want to have a positive influence on their communities, locally, nationally, and globally. Our programs are flexible in format to meet the needs of our students. Some programs are offered on campus in classrooms with world-class laboratories. Many of our programs are offered fully online to make it more convenient for students to balance their work and family priorities. Some programs are offered in an accelerated format for students who want to complete their degree as soon as possible. With all our programs, you will meet outstanding faculty and fellow students who will broaden your worldview, challenge you, motivate you, and support you on your educational journey. I know you'll have experiences in your classes that help you develop new skills, gain a solid foundation for your future, and grow as an individual. I encourage you to find out more about us and the diverse programs that we offer. I hope you will join us soon.